Hi everyone, today I will show you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred browser and go to Outlook and look for the email you want to save to OneDrive. Now, on the email, right click and click on download. Then click on download as MSG. This will prompt you to choose a location for the email you are about to download. Once downloaded, head over to OneDrive by clicking on the app launcher on the top left corner, then go clicking on OneDrive. Once OneDrive is open, on the left side, click on the Create or Upload button, then select File Upload. Now head over to where you saved your email. Double click on it and it should start uploading. And that's it. Your email is now saved in your OneDrive. Thank you for watching and hope this guide was helpful.